Hello everybody, today I'll show you how to make the lens flare eye effect in Premiere Pro. First you import your footage and give a cut on the point where you want your lens flare eye effect to start. Import 2 lens flare eyes, I'll leave mine down in the description. In this case I recommend setting your lens flare eyes to a scale of 68. Now set this blue line to the point where you made the cut. Press on the timer icon to the left of the position and scale word and start keyframing your way through. If you don't know how to keyframe, I've made a second video on that, so go check it out. After you've done the 2 eyes, go to the effects panel and type in Lumitri color. Apply it to your video and go to the creative section. I recommend these values. Now go to the effects panel again and type in brightness and contrast and apply that also on your video. Now again, I recommend these values. So now we're basically done, but we can add a couple more things to make the video look way more awesome. First you go to the beginning of your original clip and select the clip. Go to the brightness and contrast section and press the timer and then press the 2 again buttons on the brightness and contrast effect. Now your video gets slowly darker and darker. At last but not least, we're gonna shake the video, but instead of doing it with all 3 the clips, I nest the whole sequence and make it one. I don't know why, but Premiere Pro didn't record this scene. So if you wanna nest a couple clips, just select the clips, right mouse button and select nest. Now it's more easy to shake it. Only do this when you are totally happy with your video till this point. First you bring your blue line to the point where the cut is. Then you press the timer icon to the left of the word position. Now move your video a bit and after that the blue line again. Now move the screen and the blue line. Continue doing this. Remember to move the screen more and more. So in the beginning less and you should end with big strokes. Thanks for watching everyone. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate and ask them in the comment section below. I'll try to answer all of them. And if this video helped, don't forget to subscribe, because that would really help me by growing my channel. See ya!